Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Wishing Tales. Today I have a little unboxing for you. Um, in this unboxing, I also did the time lapse because it didn't take that long to do. And then at the end, I do a mini review. So let's just get right into it, shall we? Okay, so this one here, I ordered this on May 21st. I received it on June 9th. And it is from a store called Myhome off of Aliexpress. I paid $10.39 for it. This one's a little different. I know a couple of people that I've watched on YouTube have gotten these so far. So I wanted to get one. Well, I wanted to get one anyway, but hopefully, get back, buddy. My little buddy's trying to get up here, trying to be in the... oh my God, he's a nightmare, guys. I know some of you have cats, and I mean, I've always had animals, whether it be cats, dogs, doesn't matter. But I'm going to turn that over for a second. I've always had cats, and this one here, out of all of the animals I've ever had, has been like the most hyper cat that I've ever had. He thinks he's a dog, but anyway. So this is cute. I know it looks a little weird, right? It's in a weird little box. But, let me show you what it is. It is a LED diamond painting. But it's a lamp, one of those lamps. And I got the cat, obviously, you know, because I got all these cats in here. But I thought what I would do, because I'm sure it's probably fairly easy and small to do. Oh, that's so cute. And so let's see, it's a piece of plexiglass. It's like plexiglass. And it's sticky on both sides. And yeah, this is Bear. He wants to be in the picture. Yeah, look, I got that for you. And he's not going to stop until I throw the box down, which I'm not going to do. But and then this is where you put this. Now I'm not going to do the I don't want to put it in there just yet because I got to do the diamonds itself. And then I'm going to have to get some batteries, apparently. Let's look here. There, you got to move, baby. So the kit that it comes with is just your standard... Stop. It's just... Hold on, guys. Let me get this little monster down. Come on, get down, buddy. Get down. Anyway, the kit that comes with it, it's just your little tiny, that's actually really small, little green boat, little piece of wax, some bags, and your pen. It comes with a cord, a USB cord, because this does light up, but I'm going to go find some batteries here in a minute. They are special diamonds, and let's see what we have here. I thought I would probably just add, I'm going to see how long it'll take me to do it, but I might just add the time lapse on with this unboxing, and then I can give you the full review at the end, because I don't, you know, that's not going to take me that long, I don't think. So, would you stop it, boy? Stop. Come on, get down. Get off stuff. Oh, I got some, oh, I thought those were loose. They're not loose. That is my cat being bad in the background, obviously. Okay, so anyway, we have some, oh, where we at? We have some special shaped diamonds. Oh, Bear is terrible. We have some special shapes. If it'll focus. This is a new phone. This is what I use to record as a phone. I don't have a camera. Well, I did have a camera, but I don't have one now. And so I am so not used to this camera yet. They're really pretty. They're the rhinestone ones, like the crystal ones. Oh, and is that ABs? I don't have my... Where I'm sitting, it's a little hard to see. Yeah, so it's not that much. Oops. Get in focus. This is the first time recording with this new phone, so I apologize for the difficulties here. But I got really pretty colors. And like I said, they are the rhinestone, the crystal rhinestones. And I believe, if I'm seeing that correctly, I think that one's an AB. There might be another one. I don't have my glasses on, guys. You guys know I'm terrible about doing that. But I think I'm going to work this up for you guys. And then I'll put the batteries in here. And when we're finished, I'll do it as a time lapse for you. And then when it's all done, we will review it further. So just hang tight. Let me get set up here and we'll go right into the time lapse. I just wanted to pause real quick and let you know why the first 15 seconds of that time lapse, I'm holding it up like this. If you look at the symbols, okay, if I'm doing it from a flat surface, let me get you off the glare. If I'm doing it from a flat surface, I'm actually going to go in at an angle. And let me see if I can get one on here and show you what I mean. I didn't notice it. Well, I did notice it, but it's hard to tell when it's sitting down. But if you see right here, that's a number 1. But if you look, I'm not even on that circle. So that's why I was pushing them up. Well, I don't know if you could tell because it was a hyperlapse, but I had to push them up. So if you hold it up straight, oh, I'm sorry. If you hold it straight, so you can see where it is, you're going to get a better placement. Now that's just on this side, because this side, the symbols are actually written on the back side, so the back side won't be so bad. But the other side, it goes through the plexiglass, so your perception when it's laying flat isn't the same as when you're holding it straight on. So that's why I'm holding this side up, just in case you were wondering. And for if you ever do one too, this way you'll know. It seems to be pretty sticky, but I don't know how these are actually going to stay on because it doesn't seem sticky enough. Maybe it's just because it's on plexiglass, or maybe it's the glue they use. I'm not quite sure. It seems to be poured glue because it is a clear cover, so I would imagine it's poured glue, but it just doesn't seem as thick as some of the poured glue I've had. Or not thick, sticky. So, but I guess we'll find out. Because, I mean, look, I'm touching that and it's not even putting my fingerprint on there. So, I don't know. We'll see. I mean, they're staying on. I don't know how you would seal this thing. We'll have to figure that out together, I guess. But you're just going to have to, like I said, when you're putting on this, the one side, see how it is? It's not too thick. Whoops. There's a pen for comparison, if I can get it to focus in. There you go. Okay. So, and like I said, the symbols are actually on one side only, and then it's looking through the glass to the other side, which is why you should at least do that one side up so you can see exactly where it's going. This side isn't going to be no big deal because it's flat. So, all right, let's get back to it. what the first side looks like. And it is adorable. As you can see, let's see if I can get you focused in. See how it's covering up? But if you were to lay it flat, unless you are looking over it, it looks like I hit the marks on this particular side. But as you can see, if I go straight above it, let me come out a little bit and get you focused in there. You can tell that I did, in fact, hit the mark. Okay, except for my number 2 up here. Ooh, right there. We'll fix that here in a second. But when you're doing it this way, which I don't know how you guys do your diamond paintings, but a lot of the times I am like this, and that's probably why I get crooked on some of them. But they're on a flat piece of paper too. Whereas this one is, you know, the thicker plexiglass, and these numbers are actually on the other side, so that's why they look like that. So, but that's the first side. Oops, there you go. That's the first side, and it's really sparkly. And now we're going to go do the other side, time lapse, and then we'll come back and show you with it all lit up. Okay, so here is the second side, guys. And I know you saw me holding it up, and the only reason I was holding up the second side is just because of the way I'm sitting. But it looks really great. I think it is adorable. And if you give me a minute, we're going to put it on the light source and show you it all lit up. So hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, so let me see if I can get it. It's funny because that's my cat house back there, and you can't see him, but he is indeed in the cat house. So that is blue. You can, this is like a touch, this is a touch power. And then if you keep touching it, it'll change colors. Okay, and then I think there's one on here where it does multicolors. Let me see here. That's the green. I don't know. I thought one of them changed it to like all the colors, where it like does it on its own. Maybe not. I like that one because you can see all the colors of the diamonds. But all in all, I think it was pretty good. I think it was worth it. It's really cute. And depending on what color your house is, on what color you can use. I really thought there was one that was a color changing, but I could be wrong. There it goes. So that's pretty cool if you like all the colors. So it's really cute. Obviously here, let me get you focused in here. I mean, you can't tell the colors when the light's on, and how you turn the light off is you just hold it and then the light will go off. But light on, light off, it is really cute. Obviously, I got the cat because I am a cat mom. Can you see my little buddy over there sleeping? There we go. Isn't he adorable? That's Bear. That's my little buddy. But anyway, I'm a cat mom. And that's why we have this. But they have a bunch of different cute ones on there, guys. I love these flowers right here. Those are so cute. And the little ears, these are painted on. As you can see my hand behind there. But they are so adorable. So anyway, go check it out. See if you can find one that you like. And I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Bye.